Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study biology in college. To truly excel, shift your focus from simply memorizing facts to deeply understanding the intricate concepts. Actively engage with your course material by working through practice problems and participating in group discussions. This hands-on approach helps solidify your knowledge. Always strive to connect new information with what you already know, building a robust framework of understanding. This method will significantly enhance your long-term retention and comprehension of complex biological systems. Maximizing your college resources is crucial for success in biology. Make it a priority to attend every lecture and lab session. These are your primary sources for foundational knowledge. Don't hesitate to visit your professors during their office hours to clarify any challenging concepts or ask specific questions. Additionally, forming study groups with 2 or 3 peers can be incredibly beneficial. Teaching others reinforces your own understanding and exposes you to different perspectives on the material, making learning more dynamic and effective. Biology often involves complex topics, but you can master them with the right approach. Start by breaking down large, intimidating subjects into smaller, more manageable sections. This makes the material less overwhelming and easier to digest. Creating visual aids, such as detailed diagrams or flowcharts, can be incredibly effective for understanding intricate biological processes. These visuals help you see the connections and steps clearly. Finally, make a habit of regularly reviewing challenging material to reinforce your understanding and prevent forgetting key information over time. Effective exam preparation is key to performing well in your biology courses. Start reviewing your material at least 2 or 3 weeks before any major exam, rather than cramming at the last minute. Practice extensively with past exams or sample questions to identify your weak areas and focus your study efforts there. Beyond academics, remember that your well-being is paramount. Prioritize getting 7 to 9 hours of adequate sleep each night and maintaining good nutrition. These habits are essential for optimal cognitive function and overall academic success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.